What's up, y'all? This is Trucker's Life, and we back with another little simple cooking thing. Playing my homeboy from Merced, Have Bambino. Shout out to you, bro. Been solid. Hey, the homies. But let's get to the cooking. Right down here. Yes, I got my daughter's thing I cuddle with when I miss her. Don't judge me, okay? And if you do, I don't care. We got butter in there so far, that's it. We got some onions going in. We're gonna get these cooked down. If y'all don't realize, I'm using things that you can plug into the cigarette lighter. I stopped using my air fryer because not all trucks can use those. And my goal of this channel is not to show off how I cook, it's to show other truck drivers how they can cook. But we put the onion in there, and we're gonna put some ginger. Yep, that didn't go well. Here we go. And that one's done, that's trash. A little bit of salt. Pepper. Crushed reds. There we go. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. Y'all see these onions is nice and sauteed up. We're gonna take some garlic. Put some garlic in here. There we go. We're gonna let this cook a little bit more and we mix it around. Alright, y'all, we back and we're about to put some heavy whipping cream in here. And we're gonna mix it around, of course. We got it all mixed in. Now we're about to get it to temperature and put the shrimp in. Okay, y'all, we got some shrimp right here. Already deveined and peeled. We're just gonna put that in there, let that cook. Yeah, so let's check on this, see how this is going. It smells delicious, y'all. It smells amazing. Look at that. All the beautiful shrimps in there. They're doing what they do. Looking all sexified. And as y'all see, I know y'all see this butter in here with the spoon. Spoon ain't gonna be cooked. But it's gonna sit in here until I get to cook because, like I said, I'm using this. So we're gonna let it ride. Okay, y'all, we about to melt this butter down. And I'm kind of nervous about this rice. Never had pre-cooked rice. So the only thing you gotta do is microwave it in the pouch, but I don't have a microwave. I refuse to have a microwave in my truck. Nothing against the drivers that do, but I don't. Alright, we got the butter melting. And because I'm hungry, we're just going to put that right on top. Again, this is Ben's original ready rice. Coconut jasmine. Jasmine rice is my ultimate favorite kind of rice, period. And we're going to mix this around, get all that butter infused in the rice. And we shall return. Alright, y'all. We're about to finish this up. Now we're just gonna put the shrimp on top. God dang it, I can't grab a shrimp. Okay, now we got the shrimp in, we're gonna put the sauce on top. And we're gonna let it cook a little bit longer. Still got extra sauce, but this is probably gonna go in the trash. And alright, y'all, so the dinner is done. And there we go. We have a delicious shrimp over rice with a garlic onion sauce, cream sauce, whichever you want to call it. I'm about to eat, so hey, it's Trucker's Life, and I'm gone.